Hello kids, welcome to a special class. In this video we will be learning about my school. You know, sometimes in schools we are given write down 10 lines about my school. So in this video we will be writing 10 lines about my school. My school's name is, you have to write down the name of your school here at the end of this sentence. My school's name is, whatever is the name of your school, you have to write it here. Line number 2, it's a very big building. Line number 3, it has a huge playground. Line number 4, here you will see swings and slides. सब स्कूलों में के जो पार्क होते हैं उनमें झूले होते हैं ना, और स्लाइड्स भी होती हैं. So here I have written swings and slides. Line number 5, it has a very big assembly hall. Line number 6, we do prayers in the assembly hall. Line number 7, my classroom is on the first floor. On any floor, wherever you have your classroom, change this word first with your classroom. If you have on ground floor, then write here ground floor. If you are on second floor, then write here second floor. It is very large. My classroom is on the first floor. Line number 8, it is very large. Line number 9, there are many charts and pictures on the walls. हमारे classroom की walls पे बहुत beautiful charts और pictures हमारे teacher stick करके रखती है. So here I have written about that. Line number 10, I like my school very much. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you kids.